Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt, and what we're gonna make today falls in line of more of a dessert cocktail, right? So that's something that you would do, after dinner or whatever, right? So this is sweet, and it's called a pineapple upside down cake. Yep, I said it. Haven't tried it. But I do like pineapple upside down cakes. But I do like sweet stuff, as you can tell by the physique. This is a physique that's built by sweets. But anyway, let's get started. First, we're going to go with 1 ounce of a vanilla vodka. Next, we're going to go 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And last, we're going to go just a dash of a grenadine. Just a dash. I don't know how I'm going to make a dash out of this, but we're going to try. Add a little ice. Give this a good stir. And if you was making this for guests, right, you can go a little more fresher pineapple juice than this dough. But this is universal. Everyone got it. They make more fresh pressed stuff, but that works just fine. Right there. Forgot I prepped a little bit. Anyway, got us a nice little fancy Nora glass. All right, let's see how close this tastes to a pineapple upside down cake. Here we go. Cheers. I didn't get the grenadine, and I still don't get the grenadine in there. But I will say, this does taste just like a pineapple upside down cake. It's probably the vanilla vodka, right? Because that would be the cake flavor to it or whatever. But anyway, this ain't bad for your pineapple lovers out there. Anyway, here we go. Cheers. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time.